This is Mrs. Rodriguez, and today's lesson is on health and safety. There are a number of health problems that you can suffer if you use ICT devices incorrectly or for too long. The main ones are repetitive strain injury, or RSI, back and neck strain, eye strain, and headaches. Repetitive strain injury. RSI causes painful swelling of the wrists and fingers. Sufferers with really bad RSI are unable to use their hands at all. RSI is caused by doing the same small movements over and over again across a long period of time. For example, clicking the mouse button repeatedly. Computer users who type and use a mouse all day long are commonly affected. Causes of RSI. Typing on a computer for too long. Using a mouse for long periods. Holding the mouse incorrectly. Working in a cramped workspace. Here are some ways that you can prevent RSI. Take regular breaks. Use ergonomic keyboards. Work in a clean and spacious work area. Use a wrist rest. Back and neck pain. Backache and neck ache can cause great pain and really affect the quality of your life. Both back and neck ache can be caused by sitting incorrectly and using poor quality chairs without backrest. This is called poor posture. Causes of back and neck ache. Working in a cramped workspace. Not sitting upright in your chair. Incorrect positioning of the computer screen. Ways that you can prevent neck and backache. Take regular breaks. Use an adjustable chair. The key to reducing wrist, finger, neck, and back pains is ergonomics. Make sure your eye is at monitor level. Your elbow is at 90 degrees, your hips and your knees as well, and your feet on the floor. Ergonomics focuses on creating comfortable environments for people. Adjustable chairs, wrist rests, etc. are examples of ergonomics. Eye strain. Staring at a computer screen for too long can strain your eyes and cause headaches. Eye strain can cause your vision to blur. Common causes of eye strain are screen flicker and having direct light causing screen glare. Ways that you can prevent eye strain. Take regular breaks. Use an LCD and not a CRT monitor. Use an anti-glare screen. And keep your computer screen clean. Don't do it this way though. Just use a damp tissue paper. This ends today's lesson on health and safety, focusing on health. I am Mrs. Rodriguez. Please go to Edmodo and complete the assignment attached to today's lesson. Bye.